But this is absolutely fantastic bowling. Not so much this delivery as the first one. That's what caused the worries. Got the ball to swing away, and then this one just hit it flying. Coming. It's Mohammad Asif who knocks the middle stump over. And with that middle stump, that's sort of dense Indian looks.
This kid is a special bowler. The way he's released the ball, it's slipped back again, and it's knocked him over again. Laxman's got no idea how to play. Look how far that stump's gone back. It's nearly as pale Cameron